Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace alternator on 2003 Honda Accord V6. Start by disconnecting the battery, removing the serpentine belt, unbolting the alternator, and labeling connectors to stay organized. Work on a cool engine and use proper sockets and a torque wrench to avoid stripping. Keep parts and fasteners in order and take photos for reference. Safety glasses and gloves are recommended. If you feel unsure, pause and consult a mechanic. Before you start, lay out all tools and parts so the job flows smoothly. A 10 mm through 14 mm socket set, breaker bar, torque wrench, and belt tool will cover most steps. Bring the replacement alternator, a new serpentine belt, and small supplies like dielectric grease and anti-seize. Use a drain pan and shop towels for cleanliness. Organizing everything beforehand saves time and prevents frustration during the swap. Work methodically when removing the old alternator to avoid surprises. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, then use a tensioner tool to release the serpentine belt and slide it off. Support the alternator and unplug its electrical connectors before removing all mounting bolts. Compare the new unit to the old one for correct fittings before installing. Reinstall in reverse order, torque to spec, and reconnect the battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.